So friends, here is Gauri and we are going to ask Gauri something about this, okay? Gauri, namaste. Yes. Now there are 3 bottles in front of you, right? 3 kinds of waters, right? So can you tell me what this water is?
Home water. Home water.
Home water. So what is it? Okay, fine. This is, what is this water? The glass full of water? What is that?
Glass full of water.
No, that is fine. But do you know what kind of water it is? No. But will you drink that? This water? You will drink it. Okay. How come you drink it? What makes you?
You gave.
Because you trust me that I must have given you right. And what is this water? This water? Bottled water? Oxycool? Labeled water. So, what is that water? What is the difference between 3 waters? Can you tell me? If you know, I mean, that's it.
This is AquaGuard water.
This is AquaGuard water. Okay.
Treated water.
This is treated water. And this one?
It is from this bottle.
No. It is poured from this particular jug. So what do you feel?
We don't know about that.
So will you take that water?
I will prefer my bottle.
You will prefer your bottle. Why you will prefer your bottle?
Because I know and my system digests this bottle.
Okay, that is fine. But then why not this packaged drinking water? If it is more secure, this bottled water, why not this?
I don't trust.
Huh? You don't trust it. Okay. The government trusts it and the whole world trusts it and you don't trust it.
Because I don't know, but I trust this. That
Okay.
this.
You more trust this water than this water.
But I trust this than this.
Okay. So the first choice will be this water, second choice will be this water, and third choice will be this water. That's right?
If there is no choice, then that water.
Okay. If there is no choice, you will need water, you will have this. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, we have got Suhas here.
Hello.
Suhas, now you are seeing 3 types of water there, right? One is the water which you brought from your house. Then another one is this bottle. And another this bottle. So, which water will you trust? What do you feel?
I'll trust this first
This first. Okay.
because it's packed water and ISI mark on this
Okay.
and this special added minerals. So I will trust because it's ISO certified also.
Okay.
So I will trust this water first. Then second preference by my home water
I see.
because it's come from my purifier. So this purified water.
Okay.
And then last if these two
Nothing
option
is
is not available, if I'm thirsty, so I will drink this.
Okay. Now, if you go to a shop and if you want to order this particular bottle, what will you call this? This bottle service? Not the brand, but what will you call it?
Mineral water.
Mineral water. Thank you so much. So friends, we have got Darshan Joshi here, and for you, Darshan Joshi is a water purifier specialist, and he has been working in the field for the last 20 years. So let's see what he calls about these waters. Okay. So Darshanji, we want your frank opinions and whatever you have. Okay. Not technical. Your open
Sure.
opinions. Fine. So given a choice, there are 2 kinds of waters with you, right? Here we are in the resort right now, and we are inside the resort, and they have given us this water, which is in the yellow glass. It is the local water at the resort, and this is the bottled water with you. So which water will you prefer?
Hi, good morning.
Yeah.
Darshan here. As per your question, I prefer the bottled water
Okay. And why not this water? Why?
because I come first time in this resort and I am not aware about the water quality of that water they are giving it to me.
Which is the source water?
Is the source.
Water you are not sure about.
Sure about it.
Okay. So that is why you are preferring the bottled water. Okay. So why do you believe that this bottled water is pure?
Because it comes through the purification systems and I know about the bottled water quality.
Okay.
What
is the
generally
purification
that-
system- What is the purification system mainly? What is the component in this mainly?
It removes the bacteria, viruses, it gives the drinking water quality.
Okay. You mean RO system, right? It is with RO system. This system is with RO.
This is RO system. yes.
So you know inside out what is RO. That is why you are
Right.
preferring this.
No, but I also know that RO is not comfortable for the corporation water.
Okay. So if you are at your house, which water you take?
I drink the corporation water with the purification systems.
Purification. It may not be necessarily RO.
It not be
It
necessary.
may not
RO.
be necessarily RO.
Correct.
Purified water.
Purified water.
Okay, that is what you prefer.
Right.
And one more last question. If you go to a shop and want to order the bottled water, what will you call this water as?
Generally, people call as a if I say that is a mineral water, the shopkeeper will not understand the mineral water.
But
He
what will you
knows
call
that
it as?
he say that कि नहीं उनको बिस्लरी पानी दो.
Okay. So you will also say same thing, right?
because the Bisler is the number
Do
one
you know what is the official name of this particular water? What it is
packaged drinking water.
called? Fantastic, sir. So that clarifies that you know the profession very well.
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank